We're at 2 o'clock. We're at 2 o'clock a.m. And we got some shower nearby. 2 o'clock in the a.m. Shower nearby. Wow. Throwing the real and crowded, but they can shower nearby. I could be getting a break in the crowd. I'm in one of them pop-up showers. I ain't woken up the chickens. You could hear the chicken in the background. Nigga, 2 o'clock a.m. Ooh. Got that. Wow. Get that, man. I want to show nearby. Uh-oh. For that full moon. Watching that moon going through the crowd. I don't know why throwing taking that hour here. I gotta go back. Get it dark, get it crowd because I could shower nearby. I'm in New York. I don't want to go across down for my safety. I gotta take my safety. I gotta take my safety, man. I gotta go build a street. But I got this time here because I can find for my safety. I'm gonna do this in the daytime. But I can't go out in the street like that. I'm gonna film the other guy. I'm gonna do the yard. Gotta get y'all to the other guy. Well, looking good on that guy. Oh, got that. Looking good. They could call a perfect storm shaking at the wrong at this time here. I'm gonna go to bed. I could be in bed, but you know how duty is. I don't chase things like I be one of those showering, hold it. I be down home. Either one of those showers, I'm gonna have put on green shot the radar. Damn. God about that with the turkey. Damn. I'm like, man. Chicken. Chicken acting up really at the 2 a.m. I ain't going back on the other guy I be doing over the top of the house by these trees looking. Yeah. I found right, but you can't not get him go through that grass. Everything looking good over here by the house. By the house. I ain't got no yep. Like one of these days, Monday till dark. Back with a new phone. Go. I'm gonna be in couple long. I'm gonna be in past couple. I ain't posted about hook of the phone. Cause that's what it is. That cloud, I'm gonna get a picture of that. God dang morning. I gotta get up. Wow. Did you know this? Ooh. Hey, one day, look at that. That cloud. We getting it like, and kind of you like this kind of being like this. But I don't do like this. Just give me a like and a comment. You think about this video because it's coming. I'm gonna catch one of these rain showers. Ain't fingering nothing good bill at that time. And nothing not good bill. So I could want no rain shower. Man, that brand new phone man, it come out real good like the other one. It's the best phone I could go and get. Be on these throwing chase videos. You can see what's going on. This dumbbell cat. You in the video too. Jerk grass. You need to stop that. You know better than that. I give you food. Uncle George. I know you like that food. A little cat. You don't know about the weather, what's going on out here. Cause you be out there doing again. They don't like that rain. Go. Then a good shower nearby. I screenshot it. And I've been moving real what? Cause I just came out here, take that screenshot. I'm gonna edit that video. I'll show where that shower at on the radar. Cause it's 2 a.m. Look around 2 a.m.